Hey fam, Chichi here. Welcome back. I finally got my hands on the ever so popular Skinpotion Body Butters. Listen, I would hear about this from AI the Great, the Ev Effect, Denise Adore, Niche Smells on Instagram. Everybody was talking about these. So I would always miss the drops. But finally, your girl came through. So I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on these. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love me a good black owned brand. So when I heard this was black owned, first, that's when it piqued my interest. And then, of course, my fellow content creators were talking about it. And I'm like, if it's that good, I gotta get it. But I kept missing the drops. So I finally was successful and your girl got them. And they've been all of the rage here. After I ordered it, I think I got it like 2 or 3 weeks later. Like, it's all hand done. So yeah, the wait time is a bit much, and that's one of the frustrating parts about, you know, being a small black owned business, a small business in general. Once you start gaining traction, it's hard to keep up with, you know, in stock inventory. So even if you go to the website now, you won't see this in stock. You literally have to sign up for their notifications. You have to follow some of your favorite content creators, and they'll be announcing when it's going to be shipped out. But yeah, in order to get this, your girl had to do a little stalking. Okay, so I finally got it. So let's talk about the one that everybody talks about, and that's cookie butter. This is how the packaging looks. If my camera would work with me, there we go. Look at it, nice tin can. And then this is how the product looks. There we go. So immediately when you open up the jar, you get hit with the fragrance. I can tell you both of these that I got, you can smell it. So I was like, okay, we good. So I took out Miss Cookie Butter, right? And I start slathering, and I'm like, ah, she's about to live. Why ain't nobody tell me this smell like coffee? I don't know how I missed this, and it's my bad. I didn't do my due diligence. I went, you know, off the reviews. I told you, I'm a consumer just like you, baby. So I did not know how heavily coffee scented this was. And I was like, ain't nobody tell me nothing. I must have like just blinked, just tuned out. I don't know. But I don't remember anyone saying that it smelled like coffee. I just remember ooey gooey cookie. I did not get ooey gooey cookie. I got coffee. Ooey gooey coffee. I don't like coffee, guys. So wearing this, the performance was fantastic. I only wore this once. Only had to wear it once. And when I tell you, this penetrated so many fragrances that day, I just couldn't. I thugged it out. But I almost was like, you know what? I might have to take me a shower right now or wash my arms or something. But I put it on my legs and everything. But I was just like, yeah, damn, this. If you don't like coffee, don't get this. If you're like a true coffee hater like myself, like I don't like the smell of it, I don't like the taste of it, don't bring it next to me. You're not gonna like this. And I feel like nobody really talks about how much this smells like coffee. It's not like a bag of ground beans or anything, but that the cafe au lait or something. I tried so many perfumes just to like mask that coffee note, And that coffee was just like, I'm energized, boo. I am not decaffeinated, okay? She is full brewed and roasted coffee. I put on like 7 fragrances. Like, I try to make it cakey. I try to make it vanilla-y, cinnamon. No. She was just like, I'm here. Ain't nothing you can do about it. So I'm mad because this is so hard to get, and I dip my fingers in it, so it's like, what do I do with this? Like, I don't know what to do with it, and I'm just like, I don't know, because I know for a fact I'm never gonna wear this. I'm never gonna wear it because I don't like coffee. And I was just so mad because I didn't do my due diligence. I always tell y'all, do y'all research, and sample things. I didn't do it. I fall victim to, okay? Word of mouth, okay? I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm misresearched. Sometimes I wanna be part of the dip set and get my lips wet. Unfortunately, it just didn't work out for me. But something that did work out for me. Ooh, don't you run away from me. Kama Sutra. Kama Sutra, I think, was the first fragrance that they launched. Why do I keep saying fragrance? The first body butter that they did launch. And everyone was saying that this was very comparable to PARFUMS de Marly DELINA exclusive. And I can 1000% say that this is an absolute dupe for that in body butter form. Now, don't be alarmed by my jar. I did give a nice sizable chunk to my sister-in-law when I went to Florida to visit her. I'm very proud, but also sad that I put her on to PARFUMS de Marly DELINA exclusive. So much so that it is now her signature scent. She's already on her 2nd bottle from March till June, I think, was when she got her new bottle. And it's so synonymous with her that my entire family associates any scents like that to her. It ain't even my scent. I gave her my big cannon, yo. She got it, but it's okay. I'm still happy for her. We don't live in the same state, so I can still enjoy Kama Sutra. So I was scooping it out for her, and some got on my hand, and my mom was like, oh, she a little ashy, whatever. Let me see. Let me get some of that. So my mom only had literally that much on her. Look at my ring finger, if this will focus. Come on. My mom had literally that much on her. And she's like, oh my God, this smells like Kiana. And I was like, oh, there's a little hurt inside, because it's like, no, you're supposed to say it smells like me, but it's okay. But my mom had to scrub this thing off. She was like, oh God, I can't take this smell. It smells like Kiana's all around me. She was like, I love the scent, but geez, that's her scent. So you only need a little bit. So let me put some on my hands, and we ain't trying to waste her, right? So you can see it's already like kind of melting in my hand just as I speak to you guys. Look at that. Look at it. And then we're gonna do demos. Look at this. Look at that shine. The moisturification. Can we talk about it? Look at that. Look at it. Does it look like that just because I have lights? Nope, it looks like that in person, okay? In person, it looks that beautiful and shiny. And I was just like, oh wow. Like, I'm not looking for it to super moisturize my skin. That's what I wasn't even looking for it. But it does do a little something. And it's not like hella greasy, which I do appreciate. I really like this for the fragrance. Fam, if you don't want to spend what PARFUMS de Marly is charging for their bottles, get this. 1000% get this one. It smells just like it. I was like just in shock with how good it smells, and I was like, wow, this does smell like PARFUMS de Marly. Like, how'd y'all do this? Because DELINA like don't even be doing like this. And I like that this one smells more like DELINA exclusive versus the body cream that really just smells like DELINA. Like, you can put it under DELINA exclusive, but baby, if you don't like DELINA exclusive, you're not going to like this at all. But she gives a beautiful radiance to the skin, which I really enjoy. But honestly, it's the scent for me. It's the scent for me. I was just like, wow, y'all really did that. Like, this was worth the wait. Totally worth the wait. And my sister-in-law, she was like, yo, like, now my brother doesn't have to like be in such a rush to buy another fragrance. She was like, okay, when I don't want to spray it, I can wear this. And I was like, hell yeah. And they live in Florida, so I was able to try it in hotter climates. Not greasy at all. Not at all. I did wait a couple of minutes just before I put on my clothes, just in case. But yeah, the shine was there. Look, don't I look supple? Like, you want to take a bite? Go ahead, take a bite of my arm. I know you do. Yeah, I really enjoyed this particular body butter. I like how a little bit goes a long way. And I just really like it. Okay, I spent my own money on this. Y'all know how I do on this channel. Ain't nobody supporting me but myself. So this is sponsored by me. But yeah, I really enjoyed this body butter. I do know I think they might have come out with one other scent, Veil of Venus. I think that's new. There's another one that starts with a C. I think that's more tropical-y kind of. I do want to try their body oils as well, not in the cookie butter, but I definitely would try their body oils as well, because that's, from what I hear, is just as fragrant as these body butters. But right now I'm in my body butter lotion era and I'm enjoying it very much so. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos and I'll catch you in the next one.